In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can visually edit any text, any font, any color or any picture without any coding. I will be showing you how you can edit any CSS element or add any CSS element in your website. We will be working with positioning, animations and much more in this lecture. So it is an advanced lecture. So we will be using an advanced plugin which is named as which is known as Yellow Pencil CSS Visual Editor. Okay, so let's choose the file. So I'll go and try to import the plugin. I'm using WASP Yellow Pencil CSS Visual Editor. So let me upload it. This is a great plugin that you can use to edit any type of and do any changes in your website front end without any coding. So it's now uploading. Let's wait some time. Alright, the plugin has been installed. Let's activate this. Alright. So now let's refresh it and we can see a new item in the header. We have edit with Yellow Pencil, and this is the Yellow Pencil 7.1.0, which you can use to edit any element in your website. Click on edit with Yellow Pencil. Now let's edit this. Now it can edit anything that is not easy to edit. So let's get started. So we are in the Yellow Pencil editor. So let me show you what you can do first. We have three modes: cursor, flexible inspector, as well as a single inspector. We have different modes for responsive. We have wireframing and animation manager as well. You can also do undo and redo. Okay, so let's remove the responsive mode and let's get started. So you can see we have a right pane. Let's try to change our cursor to a flexible and change this color, which is hard to change. Okay, so let's change the weight and color. Alright, so we have changed the text. If you want to make it capitalized or uppercase, you can do it, or let's use it capitalized. Okay, so it's done. Now let's go forward and use background. Okay, so you can use this to change your background. Alright, so we are using this one. So let's change this background first. Alright, it's done. Let's change the text color to white. Okay, so it will look better. Make it much bolder. Let's save it. Alright, the text has been changed. Now let me show you what you can do with the backgrounds. Let's change the background color to and gradient fill. Okay, so you can see we have a new gradient fill method. Wait, but let's use this for only top area. Alright, so we have added a gradient fill. Now let's go down. Okay, so let's remove the stars. If you don't want anything like stars, you can do it. Simply click on it and delete. Press the delete button to delete it. Also, if you want to change the color, go ahead and change the background. Change the color like a gradient fill. And yeah, so it's done, right? So these are the changes which are not possible with any editor. So we will be using this to change it. Alright. So you can also use this for images. For example, if you want to make it dark or add some fills, you can use it. So you can see we have just changed the color. We have added a new layer to make it much different. Alright, so we have a different color now. Let's change the background. Oh wait, we don't need to do it. Let's just change this color. We have single inspectors. Single inspector inspects only a single element. For example, this is the only element that we are inspecting right now. Let's make a big blue. Alright, so it will be now matching. Let's go down. Let's remove some elements. For example, we don't need this fine food. We don't need this hotel luxury as well. So now let's try to do some other steps, like let's change the border, make it bolder, change the border color and make it dashed. You can see that the border has been changed and it looks some different now. Alright. Now you can see that it's very easy. If you want to change the positioning, it is also possible. Let me show you how. Now you have selected the text, you can go ahead and change the position. Top and left. Also, let me show you how you can add some great border effects. For example, if we are working with this blog, let's try to add a great border effect. Shadow, okay? So let me add some great shadow 10 and spread it almost -5. Okay, so you can see that we have added a background, a border as well as some shadows. If you don't want to add shadows, you can also remove it. You can add shadows to images or text or boxes or anything that you want. For example, you can add this shadow to this room. Let me show you. You can see that we have added a shadow. You can also change the shadow color. Alright, thanks for watching. And now once you save it, you also see some CSS codes which have been created automatically. Now let me show you how the website will look now. Open the page, you will see that our website has been changed. We have some new great shadows, home page, shadow border, text has been changed with the positioning and all those stuffs. But if you go to search page, it will look the same. Alright, how to do it? So you have to copy all the single to go and paste them in the global. If you do it and save it, You will see that those changes are now visible in the search also. Thank you.